Hi dear UTV viewers. So you have been looking behind me before watching my eye, right? So yes, today our channel crew has been visited at Lakshmi Industry Equipment, which is been located at Vellakinaru, Coimbatore. So why we have been visited here? Yep, something interesting. Yes, so we have been travel apart from a decade which has been completely transform our life cycle. So in this traditional life cycle, why I am saying it's traditional, since we have been as much as model, we have been locating for moving to the traditional culture which could be occupied in the modern life cycle. So yes, so well we have been here that only one machine would be able to extract and one type of oil. So yep, you have been got that. So now we have been moving into the chapter like oil extraction. Only we have been looking oil extraction, like your question up your questioning your mind is been right. So not. So this Lakshmi industrial equipment is been more specialized for one of the unique process which we could say like extracting the coconut milk. Yes, sounds good, right? So for the first time, our Coimbatore circle only, not to our Tamil Nadu people is been hearing the milk extracting machine. So your question is been rising, right? Only the milk would be extracted through this machine. So it's not. So totally 27 types of oil would be extracted from this one machine. So yes, you have been got it. This one machine would able to get 27 types of oil which is been available on all over market. So yep, it's time which is gonna be actually implementing the story of pig flying. Yep. So now we have been seeing of 10 kg capacity which is been 1 HP electric power. So yep, we shall think that over in traditional ways we would not use electric power to extract the oil. So yep, as I said on the first site, so we have been looking for an traditional view which would be adopt on the modern culture, right? So yes, in this 1 HP machine we would able to extract up to 20 kgs of substance which we has been extracting. So yep, now your question shall be raised, right? So what is the amount of extraction up to 1 hour? So within 1 hour literally we would able to extract 14 above 14 liter and between 14 to 15 liter oil we would able to extract via this machine in 1 hour. So normally in traditional method we would able to consume up to 10 liter of oil in 1 hour. So literally it consuming 50% more in 1 hour. So yep, your question is right. Basically we will start a business for our profit and also we will look over up to the people's wealth. So this machines is only satisfying the people wealth as well as when we look at business side, so this machine is also satisfying the entrepreneur's mindset. So this is only possible via the Lakshmi industrial equipments. I have got your question before which is I'm gonna voice from your side. So whether only 1 HP machine is gonna available or like your question could be raised. So yes, there is another machine which we gonna be show. So this machine would able to consume up to 30 kilogram in 1 hour and its electric power is up to 2 HP. So aroundly 1 HP is literally 740 watts. So when we consuming an oil more than 50% on 1 hour, so we gonna be increase our profit margin up to 35% on literally on assets. So yes, after that so 30 kg we would able to consume. I need more extraction like that your question. So here is also another answer. This machine is up to consume 40 kilogram. It's a 3 HP machine which would able to consume 30 kilogram. Apart from this, the mindset of a big scale entrepreneur would be able to rise and query whether only up to 30 kilogram, 40 kilogram only consumer like that. No. So there is another machine is also available on Lakshmi industrial equipments. It's up to 50 kilogram and it's 5 HP. First we taken and fine chopped coconut, gonna put and fine chopped coconut into an machine. So it's been less than 1 minute, the oil is started extracting and it's been dropping into the bucket.
Industrial Equipment Soda technical team. Thank you.